As a team, we actively cultivate the spirit of generosity, extending kindness and support to others.
During times of disagreement or conflict, we practice patience and extend grace.
In the same way that Christ has forgiven us, we extend grace to each other.
Our love grows deeper and stronger with each passing day.
Our marriage is a partnership guided by God's hand.
Our marriage is a reflection of God's love and grace.
Our marriage is built on a strong foundation of love, trust, and faith.
Our relationship is a testimony to the transformative power of God's love.
We actively engage in acts of kindness and service together, demonstrating God's love.
We actively engage in acts of service and kindness towards each other and those around us. We actively invest in our mental and emotional well-being, seeking growth and healing.
We actively listen to each other, valuing and respecting each other's perspectives.
We actively seek opportunities for spiritual growth and discipleship as a couple.
We actively seek opportunities to serve and support others as a couple.
We actively seek ways to serve and support our local church and community.
We actively seek wisdom from older, wiser couples who can mentor and guide us. We actively support each other's spiritual growth and pursuit of God's calling.
We are a team, working together to overcome challenges and celebrate victories.
We are committed to lifelong learning, investing in our personal and professional growth.
We celebrate and appreciate the unique qualities and gifts each of us brings to the marriage.
We celebrate each other's successes and milestones with joy and gratitude.
We celebrate the gift of marriage, cherishing and nurturing our love for a lifetime.
We choose to be intentional in our communication, actively listening and seeking understanding.
We choose to communicate with kindness, grace, and respect, even in times of disagreement.
We choose to honor and respect each other's individuality and uniqueness.
We choose to let go of bitterness and resentment, extending forgiveness and grace.
We choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth and resilience.
We choose to see the best in each other and focus on our strengths.
We commit to being faithful and loyal to each other.
We commit to being good stewards of our time, using it wisely for God's purposes.
We commit to building a culture of encouragement and support in our marriage.
We commit to continuously nurturing our friendship and deepening our emotional connection.
We commit to creating a legacy of love, faith, and strength for future generations.
We commit to cultivating a healthy and satisfying physical intimacy within our marriage.
We commit to cultivating a sense of adventure and exploration, embracing new experiences together.
We commit to fostering a spirit of unity and oneness in all aspects of our marriage.
We commit to growing in our understanding and practice of biblical submission and sacrificial love.
We commit to honoring our marriage vows and remaining faithful to each other.
We commit to investing time and effort in our sexual intimacy, creating a deeper bond.
We commit to lifelong learning, continually growing and evolving as individuals and as a couple.
We commit to maintaining healthy boundaries in our marriage, protecting our unity.
We commit to making time for regular reflection and evaluation of our marriage and goals.
We commit to practicing effective conflict resolution, seeking reconciliation and restoration.
We commit to protecting and preserving our marriage by setting healthy boundaries.
We commit to pursuing financial unity, stewarding our resources for God's purposes.
We commit to resolving conflicts peacefully and with respect for each other's feelings.
We commit to setting aside intentional moments for spiritual connection and prayer as a couple.
We commit to speaking life-giving words that edify and encourage each other.
We commit to speaking words of affirmation and encouragement to each other daily.
We commit to supporting and encouraging each other in pursuing our dreams.
We communicate openly and honestly, fostering understanding and connection.
We continuously learn and grow in our understanding of each other's love languages.
We create a home filled with peace, love, and joy.
We create traditions and rituals that strengthen our bond and create lasting memories.
We cultivate a home environment that reflects God's love and welcomes others with open arms.
We cultivate a sense of adventure and create lifelong memories together.
We cultivate a shared vision for our family, instilling values and faith in our children.
We cultivate a spirit of gratitude, expressing appreciation for each other daily.
We embrace a spirit of adventure and stepping out in faith together.
We embrace a spirit of gratitude, appreciating the blessings in our marriage.
We embrace a spirit of humility, seeking to serve and uplift each other in our marriage.
We embrace a spirit of resilience, trusting in God's faithfulness during challenging seasons.
We embrace forgiveness and let go of past hurts, allowing healing to take place.
We embrace humility, admitting our mistakes and seeking forgiveness when we fall short.
We embrace the beauty of imperfection, extending grace to ourselves and each other.
We embrace vulnerability and share our dreams, fears, and hopes with each other.
We foster a loving and nurturing environment for our children to thrive in. We foster a sense of unity and teamwork in managing our household responsibilities.
We foster a spirit of unity by praying together and seeking God's guidance.
We foster an atmosphere of trust and safety, where vulnerability and growth can flourish.
We make time for laughter and playfulness, enjoying the simple joys of life together.
We pray together, seeking God's wisdom and blessings for our marriage.
We prioritize financial stewardship, managing our resources wisely and responsibly.
We prioritize laughter and joy, infusing our marriage with lightheartedness and fun.
We prioritize maintaining a healthy work-life balance, ensuring quality time for our marriage.
We prioritize mutual growth, encouraging each other to reach our fullest potential.
We prioritize nurturing our emotional connection, deepening our bond through vulnerability.
We prioritize open and honest communication, building trust and transparency.
We prioritize our spiritual growth and seek God's guidance in our marriage.
We prioritize quality time for relaxation and recreation, nurturing our bond and rejuvenating our spirits.
We prioritize quality time together to nurture our relationship.
We prioritize regular date nights to keep the romance alive in our marriage.
We prioritize self-care, recognizing that our well-being strengthens our marriage.
We prioritize self-reflection and personal growth, striving to become better spouses each day.
We prioritize selflessness, seeking to serve each other's needs above our own.
We prioritize setting goals together, aligning our visions for the future.
We rely on God's love to sustain and nurture our relationship, knowing that He is the cornerstone of our union.
We seek God's guidance in making important decisions for our family.
We seek God's wisdom in resolving conflicts and finding peaceful resolutions.
We seek opportunities to deepen our knowledge and understanding of God's design for marriage.
We seek to be a blessing to others, sharing God's love and grace through our marriage.
We seek to build healthy friendships and community with other like-minded couples.
We seek to prioritize God's will and seek His guidance in all areas of our marriage.
We seek ways to serve and minister to others as a united couple, extending God's love.
We speak words of kindness and encouragement to each other.
We strive for balance in our marriage, prioritizing our relationship amidst other responsibilities.
We strive to be a source of encouragement and inspiration to other couples.
We strive to be examples of love and kindness to others through our marriage.
We support each other's personal and professional goals, cheering each other on. We support each other's personal growth and development.
We trust in God's plan for our marriage and surrender our fears and worries.